In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Facebook account. Alright, so I'm starting off by opening up my browser. This can be whatever browser you normally use, and once it's open, I'm right here on the main screen. From here, I'm going to head up to the top corner and click on the three dot icon. So I'll go ahead and tap on that, and once I do, a menu drops down with a list of options. Now in this menu, I'm going to look for settings. So I'll scroll just a little bit until I find it, and then I'll click on settings to open up the browser's settings page. Alright, now that I'm inside the settings area, I'm going to find privacy and security. It's usually on the side or near the top depending on your browser, so I'll go ahead and click on privacy and security. Once that opens up, I'm going to look for the option that says delete browsing data. Sometimes it might say clear browsing data, but it's basically the same thing. So I'll go ahead and click on that to open the data removal options. Now I've got this window here showing different types of data that can be cleared. What I'm going to do is make sure that cookies and other site data is selected. That's the one we want for refreshing how Facebook loads in the browser. Alright, once that's selected, I'm going to go ahead and click on delete data. So I'll tap on that, and now the browser starts clearing out those stored cookies and site data. It might take a few seconds, so I'll just give it a moment. Okay, now that that part is done, I'm going to go back to Facebook, so I'll switch back to my Facebook tab or just open the site again. Now that I'm back on Facebook, the last thing I'm going to do is refresh the page. So I'll click on the refresh button or reload the page, and that reloads everything using the updated data we just cleared. And just like that, the account is refreshed and Facebook should load more cleanly without any old cached data causing issues. So yeah, that's all there is to it. You just go into your browser settings, clear the cookies and site data, then head back to Facebook and refresh the page.